I've been trying for the last half hour to open this. Right? I found out there's a button there which this thing is supposed to pop. That's supposed to pop open. Keeps your blades in, but it don't pop open. But how do you open that? There's a button there but don't seem to do anything. This jams, there's a button there. So I don't know. I cannot suss it out. Anybody know? Let's just take that out first. Maybe that's got to be out first. No, that's just a spring down there, spring loaded. Anyway, take that out there, because I got a funny feeling I'm going to smash this to fucking pieces just to find out how it's supposed to work. I do not like being baffled. We got an hammer, we got a screwdriver. Well, it's not a screwdriver actually, it looks more like a chisel, so let me de-chiselize it. See, there's a joint around there, so that is supposed to swivelly open, unless it don't swivel at all. Let me move you, because I can see what I'm going to do. We're going to smash the fucking thing to smips. I don't like stupid things. Tried to complicate Stanley knife, for fuck's sake. Now, is that fucking thing got a button or not? No, it's not a button. It just sits in it. It sits in it and looks pretty. So it's got to be something to do with the main, this main thing here. You've got to push it all the way back, or you've got to push it all the way forward. And it opens, maybe. Back it. Let's just smash it. Let's just smash it to pieces. It's one of them fucking puzzle things. You know, is it supposed to open or what? Might not supposed to open. It might be just purely you press a button there and take the blade out and put the blade in. But they took it apart, so I can't. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Let's have a look under that badge. See if there's a screw under here. No screws. Just check this side. No screws. I'll bet this rubber thing does come off. I found it in the back of a car and I thought, well, it looks alright. Obviously it's fucking not. Right, let's open it up. Go back up there where it's safe in the loony. Let's open it up. We can then send this video to Wickes and see what the fucking hell is this thing supposed to be. I hold that there. Insert that there. I don't think it was supposed to come apart. Behind there was a nut and bolt, so it wasn't supposed to come apart. It was just to press the button there, this thing, there. Press that button there, which would release the blade, and then you just take the blade out. You see there's a nut in there which you can't get at, like it's buried under there, so you would have never got at it. So it wasn't supposed to come off, Mr. Wickesy. So unless you buy it brand new, you would never know that, would you? But it's alright, it's made of aluminium, so it gets placed on that melting list. One of these, the blade don't, because it got them two things there, I automatically thought that opened like my other one. My other one opens like that. This one don't. It's just a pure press the button. So anyway, that's alley, that goes in the alley pot. And short video of how to fuck up a Wickes Stanley knife. That was hot.
Folks, we've been asked to go live Friday night. So if you want to pop in and see us, we're live Friday night, 8 p.m. Okay? Hope to see you. Nice people only, please.